This video is sponsored by Squarespace. Today is so exciting because the team, we're all here except James. Enter James' GIF, meme, photo.
It's rude and it's low and it's just straight mean.
Look at you guys in the back. And Amanda.
I should not look. I'm looking at the road.
Okay. Who has never eaten IKEA food in the cafeteria, nor has Alexandra. I'm not sure if I should be horrified or excited that they get this experience for the first time today. We are doing a vlog all about all the new things in store at IKEA for the winter. And I love these videos. You guys love them. We're gonna shop real time and show you what's new. But first we're gonna get lunch.
I'm like, how do I crop myself out?
Okay, here we are. Oh, it's busy. Oh, wow. Okay, this is not a good shot because like, oh, there's a good shot. Oh. This is wild to me, you guys have never eaten at IKEA. Some people just come to IKEA to eat.
Alexandra has to explain to us how this works.
That's a good shot. Step one, you get a tray.
Are you getting a tray? Thank you. Well, let's like, see you tomorrow.
Are you ready for step two? Step two, slightly controversial, but you get your dessert first.
Food hall. You good? Thoughts?
Approved.
Nice.
Okay, so we just had lunch. It was a beautiful experience. And now we're gonna shop and see what's new. Let's go. This is so cute, a holiday doormat. I've never seen this before. If there's one down at the market section, I'm gonna grab it. Guys, this is kind of random, but I've never seen this before. It's a faux seat cushion, like a chair pad. I don't know, I feel like this would be handy for some people.
Look at this cute little like, table.
Yeah, it's adorable. And these candlesticks.
We can have our Christmas party here. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's a great idea.
We'll rent it at IKEA.
Another find. This leather sectional. Just like sink into it, super comfy. And it's $17.99, which for a sectional, that's not bad. Okay, you guys, I'm kind of chuckling because IKEA clearly wants to get in on the tapestry game and also a hack, an IKEA hack. This is a rug. They've hung it in their picture hanger and they're using it to cover up ugly things. Honestly, IKEA, we love the creativity. Also, obsessed with this. I need to buy some for makeovers. So fun. How much is this? 30 bucks. Tassels, guys. I found some tassels. Also, I feel like I've talked about this sofa like every time I'm here, but I want to show you again. It's so luxurious. I think Bill and I actually looked at the sofa for our space, but it was too big. But yeah, really nice. Okay, if you guys loved Noah's makeover, which I know so many of you did, this sofa is such a good dupe to the one we used. $700 for a love seat. And it's like the perfect condo / apartment size.
This is Amanda's find. I think it's new though, but I'm not on the website. Like, Alana and Alexandra will know if it's new.
2 seconds later.
Confirmed,
Oh.
it's not new.
This one is. Oh, you can take the tray off. That's cool. I like it.
Classic.
Oh, you know what? This should be the thumbnail.
Cute.
This is so fun. This is such a great decoration if you live in a small space, or if you just want your holiday decor to stay minimal. 15 bucks. It's like a little tree.
I'm gonna buy these.
Oh my god. Yes. 100%.
Like the vibe, right? Amanda's pick, guys. It's official.
But it's just
My
like a
hands
very
look so bad.
you your vibe, yeah.
And they're only $15.99 for 4. For all your cocktail needs. Guys, I read your comments, and I know you like this lamp, so here it is, because I couldn't link it before.
Okay, so Ikea has been killing it with the faux plants lately. I love this one. And I'm not one that usually likes to use faux plants, but this one, AG approved. I feel like this clock is very like, welcome to my study. Yeah? This is beautiful. Very like farmhouse chic. This would look so good in a kitchen or an entryway. That gold hardware. I'm into it. I'm really into it. Okay, there's a lot to discover. There's lots to discover here. These are so beautiful. Decorating for the holidays. I feel like over a table or just like hanging off your curtain rod or something. I don't know, it could be so simple but impactful. Also new storage boxes. We love. This whole vignette is really cute. Faux battery powered candles. And the reason I'm so excited about these is so many influencers have been like tying them to their ceiling so it looks like they're just floating like in Harry Potter. And I feel like you could totally use these. Fun update on the classic Ikea utility cart. Cutting board. Hops right on top.
Cute.
If you live in a small space, this could be so good for like extra kitchen prep space.
What are we shopping for? The duvet robe from Skims.
Big idea. I just like want to like open the box as if I could just take a ginger.
I was gonna say, are you taking a cookie?
I love these. Storage bins. I'm not sure if these lights are new or not, but they're so modern. Love having to put two side by side. I actually would not gravitate towards doing that, but it looks so good. Okay, we have new kitchen cabinet colors. I would love to know in the comments down below if you guys would ever install this color blue kitchen cabinet. I personally wouldn't, but I'm just so curious. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Also, this is a nice like neutral color. This is almost like our studio kitchen color, but it's more blue. I love this color. It's very farmhousey and like such a nice neutral. Nice. So the classic Alex drawer has been updated with a gray turquoise color. I like it actually. You guys know I love a classic Ikea photo shelf. These are new and I love these. Also, I love this cabinet for an office. This is new too. You can even put your printer here and then all of your paper and stuff in here. Okay, I'm gonna snag one of these downstairs. Faux wreath. Use it year after year. Looks like eucalyptus. What more could you want? I am 100% grabbing this duvet cover. It is beautiful and I think it's linen. Yeah, it's linen. We all got cards.
Ready to go.
Ready to shop.
While we're shopping at Ikea, I am looking for some products to feature in my weekly newsletter. If you guys didn't already know, I curate products in a weekly newsletter that you can shop right from your bed, your phone, wherever you are. And I round up products that I'm loving for the week. I round up Ikea finds, just like in this video. And it's just an easy way to shop for some sweet products curated by me and my team. You can sign up for my newsletter and find everything else Team AG at alexandragater.com. I run my website entirely through Squarespace and it allows me to do multiple things at once. I run an e-commerce business with my virtual makeover packages. I send out a newsletter every week. I have a press page and I update that whenever someone's written an article including me, which is always so fun. And what I love about Squarespace is that it's enabled me to expand my business really easily. So building an e-commerce business, it was super easy to get it started and to do everything from the back end. It's all drag and drop, really easy to navigate. And as a small business owner, when I have a million things on the go, being able to just like literally figure it out by myself has been such a huge asset to me. If you are someone who wants to start their own website, blog, e-commerce business, make sure you head to squarespace.com and use my code to get 10% off your first website or domain. Also, sign up for my newsletter and get all the free decor inspo in your inbox every week.
What did you pick up?
Some of their little mini cutting.
Cute. Chef Alana.
These have been out of stock forever. Classic pink Ikea glass. I've broken all of them except one. So yes, these are going in the cart. And they are $149, friends. $149. For the pink glasses of your dreams. All of these lights are new. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your fave. I love this one and the black one. Okay, you guys, they also have so many variations of string lights. These cute little stars. These guys, copper ones. We actually have an upcoming shoot where I wanted to use swoop lights, so I'm gonna get the star ones. Okay, these are all so fun. Such a Scandi take on the holidays. The wood and the black, and these are all battery operated. Look at these battery powered. They're almost like little flowers. They're so cute. Very holiday. You guys, this is $120, a steal. It's like so tufted. I want to use this in a makeover. Also this one for like a dark and moody vibe. A pom-pom rug. I repeat, a pom-pom rug. That is beautiful. And I'm like, where can I put this? Obsessed. Obsessed. Love it. Debating if I need it. The answer is probably no. These are so cute. Cute little ornaments. Also, update. This is a card holder. Genius. Okay, I wanted to show you these because they're always out of stock. But they're cat litter boxes. They're currently stocked. Okay, they're not. Oh. But I just think this is like a very sleek litter box.
A single mom who is
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's new at Ikea. That was really fun, and we bought a lot of stuff. We're gonna head back to the office, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Bye.